Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Carla, and welcome to the video. As you can see sa title and sa thumbnail, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano ba makakuha or paano mo makukuha yung remittances mo sa Western Union. So, kagaya ko, dahil sabi ko nga kanina, nakuha ko na yung payout ko sa YouTube, I chose money remittance ng Western Union para sa hassle-free nating transaction. So, what I will do is, guys, kung paano nyo marireceive na hindi mo na kailangan pumunta muna sa Western Union partner is pumunta ka dito sa receive and then tap Western Union. As you can see, guys, makikita mo dito kung ano yung value ng pinadala. So, for example, sa atin, dahil US dollar yung pinadala, so enter mo dito yung kanyang control number. So, yung try natin to, guys. Hindi ko alam kung gagana, but yeah. So, sandali lang po. So, ayan. Then, tap next. So, ayan, as you can see, guys, makikita mo dito, Google Ireland Limited. So, account to Western Union. So, select natin yung employer. Dito, hindi ko alam kung paano ko siya iti-treat. But, siguro dito tayo sa employer. Source of fund is salary. Purpose of transaction is paano ba? Goods and services payment. Amount received is US. Ba't ganun? Ba't ayaw niya? Hindi ba swak? Ano ba dapat? Payroll? Ba't ayaw? So, ayan. Makiklik na natin dito yung next. So, let's tap next. As you can see, guys, ito yung amount na aking na-receive. So, from Western Union, eto, meron akong 99.47. So, dito ko siya isi-save sa aking Western Union na mobile app into dollar siya. So, ayan, tap lang natin na I have read and agree to the terms and condition and tap receive. It shall be considered a criminal case to a criminal offense to fraud either through coalition and conspiracy. So, akin naman to, guys. Wala naman tayong nilalabag na batas. And dito naman, so let's try. Hindi ko alam kung tama yung pin ko. Basta. So, ayan. Congratulations daw na I'm super excited. So, isi-save natin yan dahil, ayan. So, let's go back to dashboard, guys. So, dito sa ating dashboard, meron tayong mobile wallet at meron tayong mobile wallet para sa US dollar. As you can see, walang laman yung aking mobile wallet na Philippine peso, and dito naman sa dollar is meron tayong 99.47 pesos. So, ayan, ganyan kadali yung transaction natin sa Western Union. Kaya, kung ikaw isang content creator at kukonti lang or hindi naman masyadong kalakihan yung iyong nakukuha, so pwede na ito yung app ni Western Union. So, yeah. So, guys, pwede naman gamitin mo yung other accounts like sa Land Bank or any other bank accounts. Kaya lang, guys, wala akong dollar account. So, kapag tinransfer ko siya sa aking Land Bank, automatically mako-convert siya into peso. So, that's it. See you guys on my next one. Bye!